In the metals quadrant, taking a look at the August gold contract, which we'll call a recovery day. On the downside today, we were actually down 1.25% in that August gold contract, getting all the way down to 1871.80, and then rallying back, almost hitting and getting through 1900, getting a high of about 1898.40. That was up 15 basis points, and we finished the day close to those highs, just short of it, only up about 10 basis points. Now, despite gold being up 4 of the last 5 days, gold is only up about 1/3% on the week. If we stay positive this week, however, it will be the 5th up week in the last 6 for the precious metals. Now, investors may think that they need an inflation hedge based on this morning's CPI figure. Very strong CPI number, second data set in a row that was surprisingly strong. Month-over-month CPI came in at 0.6%. That was higher than expectations, but lower than the prior month's jump of 0.8%. The core CPI rose by a larger than forecast 0.7% versus 0.9 last, but again, the expectation was for 0.4. So both month-over-month numbers beat expectations despite being down versus last month. Now you take a look at the year-over-year CPI, jumped 5% on the headline number. That's the largest annual gain since August of 2008, and the core measurement, 3.8% higher from 12 months ago, the most since 1992. And it could have a lot to do why gold is overcoming a very weak seasonal period traditionally for gold. Gold has definitely held up in what we would call seasonal headwinds. There's a normal weak seasonal period, and it's a pretty steep period, from about the 2nd or 3rd week of May down to about the 2nd or 3rd week of June, where it stabilizes and then generally starts to come back. From May 17th until today, gold is up almost 3%. So that's in the face of these headwinds from the seasonal effects. And again, seasonality is no way to trade commodities if you're just looking at pure seasonality, but the historical context of seasonality is important, and gold rallying in the face of that historical context is also something to take note of.